Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S23 FE keeps crashing. So to fix the crashing issue, first of all close all the background apps and after that open control panel and restart your mobile. And after restarting open Play Store and in Play Store click on your profile icon. Now here click on manage apps and device and then click on app updates to update all pending apps. Now after updating, go to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update. And then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating, the crashing issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.